FEC! There goes FEC. Florida East Coast Rock Train. Oh shoot, I'm so glad I made it out for this. It's a long one though. I should probably head back into the truck. This is my first FEC catch on YouTube. We got an FEC train, looks like a rock train. And an intermodal, wow. So it's got a rock and intermodal. And an auto rack. Wow, rock, intermodal, auto rack. Wonder what this could be. Ferromex, Union Pacific. Something Western. I don't know what that one is. Union Pacific. Norfolk Southern. So mixed freight on there. Black car. I noticed that the crossing lights are not in sync with each other on the FEC, unlike CSX. And there goes the end of the train. There goes the end of the train. We are in Boca Raton, Florida, of looks like a northbound Florida East Coast Railroad train. The crossing just went down. This was Alex Rail Fanning Redneck, and I hope you enjoyed this video.